In under 5 minutes, we are going to introduce you to real-time bidding, or RTB for short. We're going to talk specifically about search targeting, or as it is also referred to as search retargeting. So how does it work? Well, we have three integral components. We have data profiles, plus browsing histories, plus our own proprietary software. It starts with data profiles. And like the NSA, big data exists. And unless you live in a cave, you have a data profile too. The second component in play are browsing histories. Big data follows you. It follows you both offline and online. And wherever you go on the internet, your data profile continues to grow with every click of a mouse, with the words you type, and with every page you go to. What ties it all together is our proprietary software platform. It's the catalyst. It's a catalyst that takes advantage of data profiles and browsing history and provides a complex set of tools that allows us to provide our clients a way and gives us the ability to use the compiled data to drive and profitably convert traffic for any product or service. And here is one of the MFDB, the men from big data. Some of them, such as TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax, you may have already heard of. Many of the other large data compilers you probably have never heard of. They compile data about you both offline and online. Let's quickly share an example to show you how this works. What would be a great example? How about we use a common search query to better exemplify how this works? We'll use an example, Tony. And for our example, Tony, we will only reference a segment of his data profile. This is the data profile that we will use. Name is Tony, age group 36 to 49, age 41, gender male, employment, small business owner, likes football and outdoor activities, education, college or grad school degree. Data, University of Oregon alumni. Data, attends college and NFL games frequently. Data, previous purchaser of domestic and luxury automobiles and full-size trucks. Data, holds premium Visa card, MasterCard, and American Express black cards. Tony starts by searching Google with the search term query 2014 Ford 150, F-150. Tony clicks on a link that takes him to the Ford.com website and on the Ford truck category page. He then clicks on a link to configure and build a Ford F-150. Then from there, Tony goes over to Edmunds.com to look at more trucks. What does he see? He sees an ad for a Ford F-150. Notice the red arrow pointing to the ad. Next, Tony heads on over to Cars.com, where he ends up seeing two more Ford F-150 banner ads. Again, notice the red arrows. Tony's next stop was Autotrader.com, and the same phenomenon repeats itself again. That's right, another Ford ad. Still doing truck research, Tony jumps over to Motortrend.com, and once again, what does he see? A couple more banner ads for Ford F-150s. We're starting to see a pattern here. But after seeing, a half dozen or more Ford banner ads and looking at multiple auto-related websites, Tony is done with research for today. Later that day, he gets back online to check out a story on the Eugene Register Guard's news website about the Oregon Ducks 2014 football schedule. And as you guessed it, he sees a couple more Ford F-150 banner ads. Consuming more sports online, Tony heads over to the Sports Illustrated site to read a story about Peyton Manning, the QB for one of his favorite NFL teams. He sees a couple more Ford F-150 ads. Tony's thinking, this is amazing. I keep seeing these same Ford ads wherever I go. Maybe it's trying to tell me something. But search targeting isn't done with Tony yet. While he reads a story on the Seattle Times website about the Seahawks' chances of going all the way in the playoffs, he sees more Ford F-150 ads. He's starting to succumb to the psychology of multiple exposures to the Ford banner ads and believes it's finally time for him to click on the banner and see if it's time for him to take a test drive. Because it looks like all roads lead back to a landing page, and those pages should lead to a test drive. Well, that's how it works, and in this example, it was what Tony needed to get him to the point of becoming the proud new owner of a new 2014 Ford F-150. Search targeting works, and it can work to drive and profitably convert traffic to your landing pages and your websites too. Big Data compiles the data. Our proprietary software platform uses that data to help businesses like yours cash in and improve their ROI. Get the free report that explains how other businesses are using RTB to effectively target, retarget, and profitably convert traffic. Click on the Download Now button to get instant access to information that will show you how you can do it too.